Hello everyone and welcome back to the Learn Russian Easy, and today is lesson number 6 of the Russian A1 course, and congratulations, you already learned 33 letters of the Russian alphabet, and today let's review the entire alphabet together and practice reading the real Russian words. So let's start. First of all, we will write all letters together now in a few lines. It will be A, repeat after me, A, then it will be B, 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 V, V, G, 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 D, 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 Y, Y, yo, ž, z, i, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, r, s, t, u, f, h, c, ć, sz, hard sing, soft sing, and you, yeah. Good work. And now we will read whole Russian alphabet. A, B, V, G, D, E, Yo, Ž, Z, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, F, H, C, Ć, Š, Š, hard sing, soft sing, U, yeah. Good job, perfect. And now let's read some simple words together. Don't worry about memorizing them, just practice the sound. First word will be very easy, it's mama. Ma, M-A-M-A, mama, which means mom, mama. Next will be kot, K-O-T, kot, which means cat. Next one will be dom, D-O M, dom, which means house. Next one will be ruka, ruka, R-U-K-A, ruka, which means hand. Next one will be сыр, 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 S-U-R, сыр, which means cheese. And хлеб, Х, леб, Х-Л-Е-Б, хлеб. Хлеб is mean bread. And next one will be чай, чай, Ch-A-Y, chai, which means tea. Next one will be щи, щи, щ, 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 и, щ, и, щи, щи. It's cabbage soup. And next one is это, T-O, E-T-O, это is mean this. And last one will be яма, Ya-M-A, yama, and it's mean pit, a hole. Good, яма. Мама, кот, дом, рука, сыр, хлеб, чай, щи, это, яма. And now it's your turn, so try to read before I do. And first word will be son, more, more is mean sea, more. Papa, papa, P-A-P-A, papa, which means father, dad. And last one is humor, humor, which means humor, humor. Good, super. If you cannot, you just can try this challenge again and play it few times, so you will exactly know how to pronounce the letters. So great job, and you can now read Russian words using all 33 letters of Russian alphabet. And in lesson number 7 we will take it further. We will practice more reading and start recognizing real Russian words in a simple sentence. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and follow the playlist. And tell me in the comments which Russian word from today's review was the easiest for you to read. And спасибо, see you in lesson number 7. Пока-пока, bye-bye.